Roti versus rice, navigating nutritional choices in the Indian diet. In the diverse landscape of Indian cuisine, rice and roti stand as two of the most beloved staples, each serving as a cornerstone of countless meals across the country. While rice is often lauded for its versatility and ease of preparation, roti, particularly in its whole wheat form, has gained recognition for its nutritional benefits. As discussions surrounding health, weight management, and balanced diets gain momentum, the nutritional comparison between rice and roti has become a focal point for many health-conscious individuals. This article delves into the nutritional profiles of these staples, exploring their benefits and drawbacks to help consumers make informed dietary choices. The nutritional breakdown. Both rice and roti are calorie-dense foods, but their nutritional compositions differ significantly. Rice. A 100-gram serving of cooked white rice contains approximately 130 calories. When consumed in larger portions, such as a standard serving of 200 grams, the calorie content doubles to around 260 calories. White rice, while a quick source of energy, undergoes polishing that removes the bran and germ, leading to a significant reduction in fiber and nutrients. In contrast, brown rice retains its bran and germ, making it a more nutritious option. A 100-gram serving of cooked brown rice typically contains 110 to 120 calories, depending on the variety. Brown rice is rich in fiber, with about 1.8 grams per 100 grams, and contains essential nutrients such as magnesium, phosphorus, and selenium. Roti, a medium-sized roti, approximately 40 grams and made from whole wheat flour, provides around 120 calories. Whole wheat flour is naturally higher in protein and fiber compared to polished rice, delivering about 2.5 to 3 grams of protein per roti. This protein content contributes to a greater feeling of fullness and aids in stabilizing blood sugar levels. The health implications. When considering which staple is healthier, it is crucial to examine their effects on overall health and weight management. 1. Carbohydrate content. Rice is predominantly composed of carbohydrates, with minimal protein and virtually no fat. The high glycemic index of white rice can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels, making it less suitable for individuals with diabetes or those aiming for stable energy levels. Conversely, whole wheat roti contains complex carbohydrates that digest slowly, resulting in a lower glycemic index and promoting steadier blood sugar levels. 2. Fiber and protein. Roti offers a more balanced combination of carbohydrates, protein, and fiber compared to rice. The fiber content in roti, around 2 grams per medium-sized serving, promotes digestive health and enhances satiety, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Brown rice provides some fiber benefits as well, but not to the same extent as whole wheat roti. 3. Gluten considerations. It is important to note that roti contains gluten, a protein present in wheat, which can cause issues for individuals with gluten intolerance or celiac disease. Rice, being naturally gluten-free, is a safe choice for those avoiding gluten. For those seeking a gluten-free whole grain option, brown rice stands out as a healthier alternative. 4. Weight management. For individuals focused on weight loss, roti or brown rice is generally preferable due to their higher fiber content and ability to promote fullness. The slower digestion of these foods helps regulate appetite, making them suitable choices for individuals aiming to manage their weight effectively. 5. Digestive health. White rice is often gentler on the stomach and may be preferred during digestive issues. As a quick source of energy, it can be beneficial for post-workout meals. However, for those without digestive concerns, whole wheat roti or brown rice is recommended for their overall health benefits. Finding balance, incorporating both staples. While each staple has its own advantages, the healthiest approach may lie in moderation and balance. Rather than strictly choosing one over the other, individuals can benefit from incorporating both rice and roti into their diets, complementing them with protein sources such as dal, curd, meat, or vegetables. This combination ensures a well-rounded meal that meets diverse nutritional needs. In the ongoing debate between rice and roti, both staples hold unique nutritional profiles that can contribute to a balanced diet. Roti, particularly when made from whole wheat flour, offers higher protein and fiber content, promoting fullness and stable blood sugar levels. Meanwhile, brown rice serves as a nutrient-rich alternative to white rice, providing essential vitamins and minerals. Ultimately, mindful eating and portion control remain key factors in achieving good health. By understanding the nutritional implications of these staples, individuals can make informed choices that align with their dietary goals and overall well-being. Whether you prefer the comforting texture of rice or the wholesome goodness of roti, embracing a balanced approach can lead to a healthier lifestyle.